Scat Cats Club Cafe. So once again, we're in the French Quarters, Port Orleans, and this is their little restaurant or cafeteria. And each one of them are a little bit different than the other. You walk in, you've got your mobile order or your regular order on the wall, and I think now you can just walk up to the counter and order. They always have a register, but mobile order is a little quicker. You walk in, you get to choose what you want up there, from burgers to pastries to pizzas. Got the little mask collection on the wall there. It's actually a really huge mask collection. And this is where you're going to go out and get your drinks and stuff like that. They took all the decor. They used to have all the decor up on the ceiling and they took it all down. Once again, I'll give you a once around it. Yeah, this place isn't as big as the Riverside. It's a little smaller. And they used to have all the decor when you first came in. They had a lot of decor up on top. So now I'll do a turn. As I get to the end here, I'll turn around and show you. And you can also, before I go out, you can get your engraved ID tags there. But up above the ceiling here, let's see if I can get a look on the ceiling. My new gimbal's fighting me. They used to have all the stuff hanging off the top. I actually think it's probably a little cheaper to pull all the stuff down and just open up the ceilings instead of cleaning it. They had so much stuff up there. It looked real cool. Everything was hanging, but it looks like they used all the decor around the sides now. I'm noticing all the different things on the ledges and stuff. So they opened it up, cleaned it up. It's a little smaller than the other one, but if you're staying here, I'd walk up the walkway and definitely give the other place a shot. See, it's a little bigger. But that's this place. We got a little section over there you can eat in.